Hello, and welcome to the online tutor training for RALP, the Rio Riva Adult Literacy Program. First, let me introduce myself. I'm Devin Hoffman, and I've been RALP's director since 2019, and I'm still the director as of 2022. If I'm not the director anymore, that's great because it means this training has had some longevity. I look forward to sharing everything I know about how to work with your future student through the next few modules. So let's get started with a quick briefing about RALP's mission and vision. Founded in 2012, RALP's mission is to help community members transform their lives through literacy. The students in our program are either learning English as a second language or are native to English but need to improve their reading and writing skills. We prioritize our students' goals using English literacy as a tool for reaching these goals. English literacy is not easy, not to learn nor to teach, but over the next set of online modules, we hope to give you a foundation where you can start building literacy teaching skills. So here's what you can expect. Each module includes concepts around a specific topic, and they are all built upon each other. To help you grasp each concept, you will watch a short explanation and then be prompted to write your own reflections on this concept in your training booklet. This is pretty low tech. Just pause the video when the module prompts you to do so, when I prompt you to do so, to perform the interactive exercise. That will typically be writing something down. There will be a pause screen, and it will include a summary of what you're supposed to do while you're on pause. Then when you're ready, hit play and move on. So these are the modules that you can expect. Number 1 is sharpening our equity lens. Number 2 is social emotional learning. Number 3 is cognitive science. Number 4 is context and culture. Number 5 is lesson planning and goals. Number 6 is phonics, and number 7 is reading and writing. Accompanying these modules, you have been given a training booklet with resources and space to take notes. You can use this training booklet or an online document to write out these exercises. Make sure to share these with RALP staff so we can see your process. You won't be graded on your answers. We just want to see your process. You will also find the additional resources mentioned in the presentations in your tutor booklet, so take some time to do these modules at your own pace, to go through those resources at your own pace. In total, the online portion of the training should take you about 4 to 6 hours. Okay? After you finish the online training, you can bring any questions you still have to our staff. As RALP develops, we will likely include an in-person training session. Our staff will let you know if that is happening, and we'll help you schedule this session. Now, otherwise, you will be ready at the end of this training to be matched to a student, and we ask you to be patient throughout the matching process. Once you're up and running, I'm sure you'll find the time working with your student to be uniquely rewarding. Finally, the RALP staff will be in touch with you about any other training opportunities and community building events that we are hosting. You can also lean on RALP staff and resources for moral and technical support as you navigate the challenges that come with tutoring. So here are some expectations. RALP tutors are the most important ingredient of this organization. Because of this, we need some quality control, and you should be prepared to meet the following expectations. You're going to meet your student twice a week for about an hour a session, at least. Submit your timesheet once per month. Submit your goal tracking sheet once every 3 months. Communicate the changes, issues, and successes you and your student are experiencing with the RALP staff so that we can support and help you adapt the program accordingly. We understand that things happen, and we don't want you to stress out about these expectations. If you're going to be late on a timesheet deadline or a goal sheet deadline, just send us a message. Let us know so that we don't worry that you've just dropped off the face of the earth. To timesheets. Okay, so as you noticed, you are expected to submit two documents on a regular basis. That's monthly timesheets and quarterly goal sheets. We will practice the goal sheets a little later on in the modules, but I want you to practice submitting your timesheets now. Now there's two ways you can do this. You can either text us, that's 505-303-6437, just text your name and the dates and times of your session. You can include homework time from your student as well as travel time as separate entries. You can also add notes about your session, keep us updated about your progress. So try it now, except for include test in the name. So you can text us, try us now. Or you can use our Google form, and that's on our website at riarivaadultliteracyprogram.org/tutor timesheet. Try it again and include test in your name. Okay, so now you know some of the expectations, you've practiced with the timesheets. Let's get started on these modules, why don't we? Click on Module 2, and remember, you can reach out to us anytime with questions at read@ralp.org or 505-303-6437. Enjoy the modules.